The wise owl's help. In a big green forest, all the animals lived happily together. They played under the tall trees and drank from the cool, clear stream that flowed through the woods. Among them was a wise owl who lived in the tallest tree, watching over everyone with kind, knowing eyes. One day, as the sun began to set and the forest was bathed in a warm golden light, the animals gathered around the old oak tree where the wise owl lived. They were worried because something strange was happening in the forest. The rabbits hopped up first, their little noses twitching with concern. "Wise owl," they said, "we can't find any more fresh vegetables in our garden. The carrots are missing, and the lettuce is gone." Next, the squirrels chattered nervously. "Wise owl, our acorns are disappearing. We buried them carefully, but now they're nowhere to be found." Even the birds joined in, flapping their wings anxiously. "Our nests are being knocked down by the strong wind, and we don't know how to fix them." The wise owl listened carefully to each of the animals' problems, nodding slowly as they spoke. Then, with a gentle hoot, the owl said, "Do not worry, my friends. Let's work together to solve these problems. I will guide you." First, the wise owl flew to the rabbit's garden. The owl observed the ground and soon spotted a clue, a trail of tiny footprints leading away from the garden. The wise owl followed the trail with the rabbits hopping behind. Soon, they found that the vegetables had been taken by a family of hungry mice. "Little mice," the wise owl said kindly, "the rabbits need these vegetables to eat. But I understand that you are hungry too. Let's share the food and plant more together so that everyone will have enough." The mice agreed, and the rabbits and mice worked together to plant new vegetables. Soon, the garden was full of fresh, green plants again. Next, the wise owl flew with the squirrels to where they had buried their acorns. The owl looked around and quickly noticed that the ground had been disturbed by a group of playful raccoons. The raccoons had been digging and playing, not knowing they were scattering the acorns. "Dear raccoons," the wise owl said gently, "the squirrels need these acorns for food during the winter. Let's help them gather the acorns and bury them again." The raccoons felt sorry and helped the squirrels find and rebury the acorns. With the owl's guidance, they even found some new places to store extra food for everyone. Finally, the wise owl flew to the birds' nests. The owl noticed that the wind had indeed been strong, but the nests could be made sturdier with a little help. The owl taught the birds how to weave their nests tighter and find stronger twigs to hold them together. The birds chirped happily as they built their new, stronger nests, safe and snug in the trees. With each problem solved, the animals of the forest felt much better. They thanked the wise owl for helping them and learned the importance of working together. The wise owl smiled and flew back to its home in the tall tree, knowing that the forest was once again a peaceful and happy place. From that day on, whenever the animals faced a problem, they remembered the wise owl's advice. Work together, and you can solve any problem.